Hey guys, Moz here. I'm going to show you how to download Yosemite, the new OS by Apple in their own OS 10 lineup without any network error. Some of you might have a slower internet connection, so it might crash. So what you do is basically go to the App Store and click on download. It will ask for the password and as usual you start it. But after that, if you check your launchpad, you will see the download happening. Right now it's at 42 MB. So what do you do is you open your Finder, click Command Shift G, and then you type var folders /var /folders. Go here, you will find two folders. One of this, just go in and see, like you will see a big long string. Go inside this. You can see the C folder here. Go inside this, and then go to com.apple.appstore. And in these there will be a lot of folders depending on the apps which you are currently downloading from App Store. Just write get info and you will see like this is 45 MB, so you can check it like that. And when you go inside, you will see an installer, a package file. So this is basically the installer which is being downloaded right now. Okay, it says 12 MB. That's weird, but that's because it's not refreshed yet. If you go to the folder, you will check the correct MB. It's 45 MB, which is same as this one. So what you do is you take a copy of this. Periodically you just drag this to your desktop. Make sure you press the option button so that you get a plus sign, and then you drag it. This time it will show you the correct size, that is 46.9 MB. Why do you do this is periodically if you keep doing this and you keep deleting this and then keep doing it again and again, if your network crashes, then you can basically restart the download by clicking on the download button again from the Apple Store. And when it shows 0 MB again, all you have to do is come back to the same folder, drag this in, and it will replace it. And it will make sure you pause it before you do that, and then when you resume it, it resumes from how much it has downloaded. So that's a cool hack to solve your network issues. Thank you for watching this video.